Have you been stranded on the highway before, because of a broken car fan belt? It can be very frustrating, I bet. First and foremost, if you have any other options, such as contacting a tow truck or tow van, when your car fan belt breaks, you should use them. Saving money is not worth the risk of catching fire in your car engine. That being said, if you're stuck, you can use a pair of pantyhose as a car fan belt. But wait, this is not a permanent solution. The pantyhose is in no way replacing your car fan belt. The essence of the pantyhose is to help you drive to a petrol station or an area with cell coverage, where you can reach out and get help. Look out for the next car hack guide. It will help you to prevent car dings or car deaths. Please subscribe to this channel and be notified when I upload it. Comment your experience with this car guide or any other one in the comments section down below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next Cars Hack video.